Presenting Nikon Z6II mirrorless digital camera. The powerful 24.5 megapixel FX format BSI CMOS sensor and dual X-Speed 6 processors make it a great choice for video capturing. This camera is capable of recording ultra-high definition 4K videos at 30p, 1080p Full HD slow motion with pixels readout on every individual pixel. The 273-point phase detect autofocus system and vibration reduction with sensor shift makes this camera a suitable choice. The rugged magnesium alloy frame of the Nikon Z24x70mm f/4S lens makes it a perfect addition to any photographer's kit in any weather condition. Inside the box, you will find the Nikon Z6 Mark II body, 24x70mm lens, camera, battery, charger and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Presenting Nikon Digital Mirrorless Z7 II body only in black. It comes in a size of 7.1 by 13.5 by 10.2 centimeters. The mirrorless camera comes with interchangeable lens and automatically switches between monitor and viewfinder displays. The 3.2 inches LCD display comes in a resolution of 45.7 megapixel and has CMOS photo sensor technology. It is Wi-Fi enabled. The box contains the camera, battery, charger and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Nikon Mirrorless Z FC body with ZDX 16 to 50mm f.3.5 to 6.3 VR lens. It is compatible with Nikon Z camera and it has Bluetooth interface. It has 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor. It features burst shooting up to 11 fps with full AF. It can shoot UHD 4K videos. The camera features 2.36 m.O LED viewfinder and fully articulating 1.04 m. rear touchscreen. Inside the box, you will find the Nikon Mirrorless Z FC body with 16 to 50mm lens, camera, charger, battery and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.